let's just see if we will get the unlimited coins in Webtoon just like that. I mean, look in the results, guys. You can follow up each and every step and download each and every one app exactly like I did or any other from the list, but you will see unlimited coins in Webtoon just like that. Hey there people, today your boy will show you how we can get unlimited coins in Webtoon. You heard me right, guys. It will be so insane to see how those coins will propel into your Webtoon account, and you will not get a single worry about it. As simple as that. This step-by-step tutorial is for both iOS and Android devices, and the only thing you need to have is your Wi-Fi connection, because this is only working with Wi-Fi connections or mobile data, but especially it does not work with VPN connections. This is a very important step, guys, so make sure you're on your Wi-Fi or mobile data, but do not use any type of VPN connections, which is a very important step as already mentioned, and that will enable us now to open up our browser. And doesn't matter which browser we use, because this is working for both iOS and Android devices. We can only open up any browser, but we need to type in this address right here. As we can see, guys, as we click on the search button, we will be on this mind-blowing website where we can find the unlimited coins for Webtoon and even search for other games and apps. So you can check out that right after we completed the Webtoon step-by-step tutorial. And it will be exactly the same so for each and every other app. But let's not lose our focus. Let's just type in Webtoon, and we can see, guys, that there are 173 active users with 12 remaining slots. So they are being added up, but you don't know how fast it can go away, guys. Just look at people going crazy right there. And now let's just enter our username. Select this button right here and proceed, where we will select the platform that we are on. As we click on continue, now we will just select the amount of coins that we want to receive in our Webtoon account, guys. So as your boy saw this whole tutorial on the internet, each and every step will be exactly the same as I saw it, and we will just hope for the best results and the results that I saw. And that is the reason why I wanted to share this whole thing with you, of course, guys. So let's just click on this purple button and let's proceed to the final step of this whole process, where we will just be seeing it in a very bit, just like that. We have some apps or games that are from the official App Store Google Play Store, or we will have some questionnaires. So we either need to download 3 apps and do what is needed from us. So for example, TikTok will be to install it and open it and run it for 30 seconds. Something simple like that will be needed for other apps or games. But if you want to do it much faster, you can just complete 3 questionnaires by answering some simple questions. Doesn't really matter what you answer, what matters that they're answered. But in this case, your boy will go ahead and download 3 apps, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so here we can see those are the 3 apps your boy has downloaded, and it was so fast. What is even faster are the questionnaires. But let's just see if we will get the unlimited coins in Webtoon just like that. I mean, look in the results, guys. You can follow up each and every step and download each and every one app exactly like I did or any other from the list, but you will see unlimited coins in Webtoon just like that. And thank you so much for watching, fellas. I hope everything was useful for you as it was for me. If there are any questions, just leave a comment down below. Otherwise, see you in the next one. Bye.